Hi, my YouTubers. I know it's been a while, but I've been, gonna go with the health thing, had to, relax myself and get some things in order here. But anyways, I'm back today. I'm going to be making my famous oxtails, okay? I did the cabbage yesterday. The rice is done. It's hot, it's hot. And wouldn't you know, our air system is on the blink. The guy was supposed to come yesterday. He didn't come. So I'm going to make this quick. We're going to use my pressure cooker today. But I'm glad to be feeling better to be back out here. So I should be on there probably about, I want to say about 3 o'clock. 3, 4, 5, 6. Make sure there's enough time. Yeah, about 2:30 to 3, okay? So, and also, I don't know if you guys know, I have a Facebook page called In the Kitchen with Cindy too. So what I do now, because they changed the eligibility requirements to go live, I go live on my Facebook, then I load it up to my YouTube. But I really want you guys to hang out on the YouTube channel, okay? But you can always catch it there too, but I really need you on my YouTube channel because I'm trying to grow it so I can get some, privileges. And again, I don't do it for the money, okay? So it's not for monetization, I promise you. I'm not on there enough for that, but I don't even have that, I do what I can do because it's a passion, it's something that I love. So anyways, around 2:30 or 3, okay? I'm going to actually record it on the Facebook in the Kitchen with Cindy, and I'm going to transfer it over to YouTube. Watch the YouTube. I shouldn't have told y'all that. I should have, because now you're going to just go on Facebook and not hit my YouTube off. Prove me wrong. Okay, so anyways, love you guys. I'll see you then, okay? And I hope everybody's having a fantabulous Sunday. I got to tell you a story about yesterday and today, okay? We're going to do more than just cook today. Mwah.